A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there was a beaver living in the forest named Hare. He had lots of friends and liked to play outside. One day a big wolf came and started saying, "This is my forest, and I am bigger and stronger than you. So you will have to move out of the forest by tomorrow, or I will destroy your house." Later that night, Hare and his friends were thinking what to do. Hare suggested that they should build a trap to catch the wolf and teach him a lesson, that there is somebody stronger than him. The beavers decided it would be a deep hole covered with sticks on it. One of the beavers exclaimed, "How are we going to do that?" Hare suggested that they could ask the rabbits for help to build the trap. About 1 hour later, the beavers went to the rabbit's burrow and explained what was going to happen. Tomorrow in the morning, the rabbits agreed to help. It took them the entire night, but they finished it by the morning. In the morning they all hid up in the trees. The wolf came and barked at them to pack their bags and leave the forest immediately. Since the wolf wasn't looking where he was going, he fell into the trap. All the animals came and saw that the wolf was trapped in the hole. The wolf kept asking for help, so they could let him out of the hole. But Hare said, "We would have, but since you have been so mean to us, we will not let you out of the hole." Then the wolf promised that he will never tell them to move out of the forest and be mean to them. Hare and his friends forgave the wolf, and they got a big stick and dropped it down the hole so that the wolf could climb out. Moral: don't be mean to others or you will get it back. Moral: don't be mean to others or you will get it back.